two dice are rolled once, right? What will be the sample space? Can you tell me? So 1, 1, then you would be having 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, and then you will be having 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 6, keeps going, 3, 1, 3, 2. So how many elements do you expect here? Can you guess how many elements will be there? 4, 2 to 4, 6, and then 5, 1 to 5, 6. I'm not gonna write all of them, and 6, 1 to 6, 6. Okay. So first of all, you got to write them just to be sure as to what they are meaning. Then they are saying that find the probability of getting an even number on the first die. They're talking about even number on the first die. Okay. So let's talk about that as my event A. So, and or a total of 8, right? So first event is A, getting an even number on the first die. So what will be my event A? Can you tell me looking from here, getting an even number on the first die? 1 to 6. I mean, I'm just talking about first the conceptually understanding this. So 4, 1 to 4, 6, these are the elements, and then 6, 1 to 6, 6, because the first one is an even one. So 6, 1 to 6, 6. So there are actually gonna be there will be 18 elements. So there will be probability of a number of favorable events 18 here. Total is 36. So this is 1 by 2, right? So this is first one. Okay. Now they're talking about total of 8. So in which all situation you will be getting an 8? What is the when all you will be getting an 8? 2 comma 6, then 3 comma 5, right? Probability of B. Now what are they asking? They're saying that getting an even number on the first or. So what do we mean here? What is it saying? A or B. So what should I write? What is the meaning A or B? E union B. Okay. So this is P probability of A plus probability of B minus P A intersection B. So we have got probability of A, probability of B. What is P A intersection B here? Intersection B, right? So check here. What is the A intersection B here? 4 and 6 comma 2, right? So what will be the values here now? All right. So this will be how much? 8 plus 18 plus 5 minus 3. So that will be 20 upon 36. So that will be 5 by 9. This is because I wanted to actually solve it not like this, but I could have solved it in other way as well. So what I am looking at is I'm looking at A union B here, right? A or B. So looking at the set, can you tell me what will be A union B here? I mean, what are the elements here? Can you see here? One thing which you can understand here is that all these elements A would be there, and then B will be there, and the common elements will be repeated only once, right? Will be there once, 4, 4 will be there once, 6, 2 will be there once, and these two will be extra terms there, 3, 5, and 5, 3. So all the terms from here 2, 1 to 2, 6, and then 6, 1 to 6, 6, and then I will have two more extra terms which will be 3, 5, and 5, 3, right? So how many terms here there are? 20, right? So directly from here, PA union B, what could I have said? PA union B was actually 20 upon 36 as well. So that is 5 by 9.